That's a good shot.
Thank you. We played without pressure. It was simple, though we had some challenges of hitting the ball, not in the fairways. Sometimes you can lose the ball because the green was good actually.
The tournament started very early in the morning. 6 people were playing, and I can say the organization so far is so good, and I believe it will be successful at the end of the day. We had a turnout of almost more than, I think, around 150 golfers. I'm not sure of the number, but I know it's close to that, which is rare in a 9-hole course.
So far, so good, because the objectives are being achieved. We are interacting, we are demystifying the game of golf, we are empowering the caddies, we are empowering the pros, we are empowering the local community. The outreach programs, you know, because we are partnering with the local pros in whatever region we go. In whichever region we go, we make sure that we carry on golf clinics, and these clinics really demystify the golf. You know, and it doesn't matter who you are in society, you can play golf.